Hey everyone! Welcome back to Global Forex Guide, where we make Forex trading simple and exciting. Today, I've got something fun and unique for you. Ever wanted to impress your date with some cool Forex lingo? Whether you're a trader or just want to sound savvy, stick around because I've got the perfect guide for you. Let's dive in. So, let's start with some basics that will make you sound like a Forex pro. 1. PIP. A PIP stands for percentage in point. It's the smallest price move that a given exchange rate can make based on market convention. For most currency pairs, 1 pip is equal to 0.0001. 2. Lot. A lot is a standardized quantity of a financial instrument. In Forex, a standard lot is 100,000 units of the base currency. There are also mini lots, 10,000 units, and micro lots, 1,000 units. 3. Leverage. Leverage allows traders to control a larger position with a smaller amount of money. For example, a leverage of 1 to 100 means you can control $100,000 with just $1,000. 4. Spread. The spread is the difference between the bid price, what buyers are willing to pay, and the ask price, what sellers are asking for. It's essentially the cost of trading. 5. Bull market and bear market. A bull market is when prices are rising or expected to rise. A bear market is when prices are falling or expected to fall. Think of bulls attacking with their horns up and bears swiping down with their paws. 6. Margin. Margin is the amount of money required to open a leveraged trading position. It's a good faith deposit to ensure you can cover potential losses. Now, imagine you're at dinner and your date mentions something about investments. Here's how you can slide in some Forex knowledge effortlessly. Actually, did you know that the Forex market is the largest financial market in the world? It has an average daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. I've been learning some cool terms recently, like how leverage can help control larger trades with a smaller deposit. It's fascinating how the spread can affect your trading costs. So there you have it. A few Forex terms to impress your date and make you sound like a trading expert. Remember, understanding these basics not only makes you sound smart, but also helps you make better trading decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Global Forex Guide for more awesome content. Also, check out the links in the description for my recommended Forex broker and wallet. Happy trading!